Hello everyone, and thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this lecture, we will talk about account assignment to sales distribution module. After a billing document is saved, it is released to accounting, where it updates the various general ledger accounts. In this lecture, we will study how to configure SAP to determine the accounts and post the billing document automatically. Further, based on the requirements of the finance team, various pricing elements such as discounts, taxes, and price can be passed to different accounts. Some organizations require that billing the customers and updating the revenue books should happen at different points in time. So after that, we will talk about the revenue recognition. Account determination is a procedure used to establish the correct general ledger accounts for posting a billing document to accounting. Using this procedure, SAP carries out account determination for billing documents such as invoices, credit notes, debit notes, and so on. Account assignment uses the condition technique to determine general ledger accounts. The account determination procedure is a schema that consists of elements called condition types. An access sequence is assigned to each condition type. Following the sequence, the system searches for general ledger accounts maintained in condition tables in a specific order. The condition record is the account number set up for a combination of determination criteria. So we'll talk about all these steps in this lecture. In SAP Sales and Distribution, we have two types of account assignment: material account assignment and customer account assignment. Now we will take a closer look to customization of these account assignment types. The material account assignment group is used to distinguish accounts based on different materials. For example, the requirement may to be separate the revenue from the sale of finished goods from the revenue of services. You can create account groups and assign them in each material master record. You can then use this field as a key to point to different accounts. To maintain the values in this field, follow SPRO transaction, click on SAP reference IMG, go to Sales and Distribution, Basic Functions, Account Assignment Costing, Revenue Account Determination, and click on Check Master Data relevant for account assignment. Now double-click on Materials Account Assignment Groups. As shown on the screen, you can check the list of predefined account assignment groups, or you can define a new entry by specifying a 2-character alphanumeric identifier and a description. And in the Material Master, this field appears on Sales Organization tab number 2. So this is for Materials account assignment groups. Now press back button and we will talk about Customers account assignment group. Use the Customer account assignment group to distinguish accounts based on groups of customers. For example, one of the common requirements is to segregate revenues of domestic customers from those of foreign customers. You can create account groups and assign them in the customer master record. You can then use this field as a key to point to different accounts. To maintain the values in this field, click on Customers Account Assignment Groups. As before, you can check the list of predefined account assignment groups or define a new entry by pressing New Entries button and provide meaningful description and 2-digit account assignment group code. Now go back to the main screen. Now we will take a closer look to account assignment configuration steps. So first step, create condition tables. Second step, define an access sequence. Third step, maintain account determination types and assign the access sequence. Fourth step, set up the account determination procedure. Step number 5, assign the account determination procedure. Step number 6, define and assign an account key. And last step will be assign general ledger accounts. Now we will take a look at all of these steps in detail. Step number 1, create condition tables. Condition tables specify the key combinations required for account determination. Before setting up a new condition tables, check the standard tables provided by SAP. If you have to set up a custom table, refer to the field catalog and search for fields you require to be part of your condition table. Go to transaction code SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Go to Sales and Distribution, Basic Functions, Account Assignment Costing, Revenue Account Determination, Define dependencies of Revenue Account Determination, and double-click on Field Catalog, Allowed Fields for the tables. You have the information message that the table is cross-client. Press Continue. You can check the fields available in the standard field catalog. If this list does not meet your requirements, you can use function key F4 to access the full list of fields in the catalog. So now you see all the fields that you can use. Once you have checked the availability of required fields, pick up these fields and create a condition table. We will copy two fields, order reason and condition type. Now press back button and double click on Account Termination, Create Tables. Define a table code and press enter. You can use copy from table. You can create text for your table, test table for account assignment. Now select your fields for your table, condition type, distribution channel, division, orderism, and plant. All fields that we need. After you select necessary fields and provide meaningful description, you can generate new table by clicking a generate button. You have the information message. Do you want to generate the condition table? Press yes. So now you see information message. The table has been saved and wrappers and screens for table marked for generation. Now press back button and go back to the main screen. We complete our first step, and now we are ready to the next step. The next step, define an access sequence. To define an access sequence, again go to transaction SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG, go to sales and distribution, basic functions, account assignment costing, revenue account determination, define access sequence and account termination types, and click on maintain access sequences for account determination. Here informational message that this table is cross-client and press continue. On the change view access sequence screen, you can create a new access sequence using new entries button. We covered this access sequence creation in one of our previous lectures when we talk about prices and we create and assign access sequence for price tables. As shown on the screen, the access sequence KOFI have 5 access sequences in a specific sequence: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There is a provision to attach a requirement routine to steps in the access sequence. In the case of KOFI, requirement routine is not checked here, but if necessary, we can use this routine. If this condition is fulfilled, it carries out the access. Otherwise, it skips this step. This initial check helps improve the performance of the access sequence and prevents unnecessary steps. And we can display fields by selecting our number of table, and double click on Fields button. And now you see all fields on the screen for our table. You can go back to the access sequence and go back to the SPRO transaction, and we are ready for the next step. Next step is maintain account termination types and assign the access sequence. Account termination types are the condition types that you will use in the account termination procedure. As usual, to configure this, go to SPRO transaction, Sales and Distribution, Basic Functions, Account Assignment Casting, Revenue Account Termination, click on Define Access Sequence and Account Termination Types, and double-click on Define Account Determination Types. In this transaction, you can define a condition type. There are no other controlling parameters to be maintained here. So you can assign the access sequence to the condition types here. Standard SAP offers two account termination types: KOFI, standard account termination, and KOFK, account termination with casting. So the access sequence KOFI is assigned to both conditions. You can change access sequence here, or you can create new entries to define condition type and assign access sequence to this condition type, or you can delete any assignment here. After making any changes, as usual, press Save button. And now go back to the main screen. We will continue to talk about next steps in customization of account assignment procedure in our next lecture. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.